if you're racking your brain trying to figure out how do you compensate and create a commission plan for moving sales reps, everybody goes through it. You're not the first one. It's not as simple as just asking everybody else in the moving industry and then doing what they do. It really starts with what your company looks like. Larger companies with more established lead flow, better marketing systems, better operational capacity, just overall a more firmer, stronger business, you're going to be able to offer a little bit lower commissions because it's a lot more order taking and it's a lot less for the sales rep to generate on their own, so to speak. Now, on the other side, if you're a smaller company, newer company, somebody that's emerging, looking for fast growth, you're going to need to go up the commission ladder because that sales rep is going to need to do more for your business. They may need to generate their own leads. They may need to do things that are more business development, and so you need to incentivize that. So before you go grabbing something from another mover, just think about where your business is and put comparisons because not every moving company is the same.